Welcome to MT-VIKI Studio. Today this video will introduce HDMI LCD KVM switch. What's inside the package? 1 user manual, 1 power adapter, 1 power cable, 1 DVI cable, 8 packs USB HDMI KVM cable, 1 8-port HDMI KVM with rails, 1 17.3-inch LCD monitor, its lightweight allow installed by one person. Firstly, install the LCD monitor into the rack. Then insert the KVM with rails into the back of rack. It is easy to install, we just need to fasten the ears with screws. Then connect DVI cable. Notice, it is 19-inch wide, rack depth from 24-inch to 31-inch, and this KVM console is 1U height. Secondly, connect the power adapter. Thirdly, connect the HDMI head into KVM, and connect the HDMI and USB pigtail into the host PC. Finally, turn on the on-off button. This KVM console has 2 OSD menu. This is the monitor OSD menu, and this one is KVM OSD menu. There are 3 ways for switching. The first way, OSD menu switching. The second way, press home plus 1 to 8 to switch. The third way, press button to switch. There are some various KVM consoles maybe you will like. Thanks for watching.